good, YouTube? We got FunnyMike. Hey, man. Let's get into it.
I was in the golden egg, man. If y'all can get jacked out some money, he sure can get jacked out the HAG. Oh, hey, what Tory at?
He went upstairs with a girl with red hair.
Whoa, what you
He
doing?
thugging.
Man, what is y'all doing?
Johnny Dang.
What up to the kids? Let me go ahead
With the blame. Guapis.
Y'all want diamond cuts? So all the kids want diamond cuts. You watching the FunnyMike family. There go baby London. Then you see Lil MJ watch him turn up for his mama. Sick as ever did it. The best up on the planet. Tell me what you doing if you ain't subscribed to this channel. This the FunnyMike family. This the FunnyMike family. This the FunnyMike family. The FunnyMike family. The FunnyMike family. What's up, FunnyMike family? Y'all already know what time it is, man. Y'all tune in to another epic video, and today is Easter. If you watching this right now, make sure you hit that like button to tell us Happy Easter, because I'm telling you guys, Happy Easter. Hey, London, Happy Easter, Mama. Hey, my baby. What up, MJ? MJ wanna cry because no, he wants you. He just woke up and he want his mama. So you know what you do? Let me take care of her hair and you get him. You don't want me to do her hair? Man, you know I, huh? What your earring? Oh, so cute. Y'all stay tuned, man. She's finna get them ready, man. I'm finna go on the other side and see what the kids doing, because today is Easter and we finna get lit on game. Hey, man, I just came in here with the kids, man. Y'all ready for Easter today? It's gonna have $1,000 in the golden egg, man. If y'all, huh?
A stackeroni.
Who find that golden egg?
I can't do it. We older.
What you mean? Wait, y'all coming today? It's y'all. It's you 55. Yeah, you definitely ain't playing.
55.
Hey, we got.
Because he fat, but he ain't gonna be able to.
No! Hey, but look, this the twist. It's gonna have golden eggs, but it's gonna have plenty golden eggs, so you don't know which golden egg is.
I'm not gonna pick no golden egg.
Hey, don't be running over the kids now. Don't be running over the kids now. Huh? I'm gonna talk to y'all too.
Gonna be forced running over the kids.
Look, Mom, what you got going on over here?
I'm finna hide these eggs.
Mom got the eggs. She finna go hide the eggs, but
And they ain't gonna find.
we ain't starting the Easter egg hunt though yet.
No, but we
Oh, so you gonna go ahead and put them out there? Hey, but you still gotta say that one golden egg that I'm gonna surprise everybody with.
I know, I need that.
All right, y'all. This is the golden egg right here that I'm gonna have to put something in, because if I don't put nothing in it, the kids are gonna cheat and they're gonna try to put a golden egg in their pocket and say they found it. I know you was gonna do it though. You a thief, okay?
That's not a thief.
Stop stealing and the stealing. Huh?
It's called being so hard. How is it gonna work?
How's it gonna work? Just stay tuned, man. I can't get y'all secrets so y'all can cheat. All right, Mama, go hide. You trying to cheat?
How am I trying to cheat?
They said you were looking out the window trying to find out what a golden egg.
How am I cheating?
Nigga trying to find the golden
Man, you
ticket.
looking out the window trying to see what a golden window. That boy cheat. Hey, they ratted on you, man. Man, shout out to my rats, man. You already know, man. Good rat. Hey, you a rat, boy. You the told too. Hey, you too. They
Ran on me and then thought yourself.
Oh, so you trying to split the $1,000, huh?
I'm trying to give us $50. What we gonna do with $50? I can't be grateful with it.
So he bullying in real life too.
I ain't gonna put it. I'm still gonna give everybody $100.
You gonna give everybody $100? Oh, okay.
I still got that 100. You
Oh, okay.
get another since you wanna switch up.
Whoa!
Hey, you told him to
Wait,
switch
did you
up.
just get jacked?
You told him.
Hey, you better stand on that business and take that. Man, go get your money back, man. Get your money back.
You ain't telling me my money.
Man, I ain't telling them nothing. Hey, man, you your own man.
Hey, if he can get jacked out some money, he sure can get jacked out the HAG.
Oh! Y'all already know what it is, me. I gotta cook the crawfish. This is my 5th batch I done cooked this month, man. And my 5th batch I done cooked ever. And I'm 4 for 1. Wait, hold up, no. This one ain't been ate yet, so I'm like 3 for 1. 3 for 1, yeah.
This
I'm
nigga
gonna be 4
don't
for
know.
1, though. Y'all see what it is, though. Little crawfish. Hey, baby crawfish. Hey, little man. What you going, Duty Woogie? Man, y'all already know what it is, man. All these finna go in the pot, man. It's finna be amazing. Happy Easter, man. Oh, my God. Ooh, look at that big one. Ooh. Y'all stay tuned. Times out here hiding Easter eggs, man. Come on now, you gotta be careful on where you put them, because them kids be watching you, bro. What a golden egg is.
Golden egg right
Golden egg worth 1K, man. These kids are gonna go crazy. We got eggs everywhere, you guys. We got eggs everywhere. Y'all see what it is, man. Let me bust this one open. I'm finna eat these jelly beans on God.
Oh God.
Good cooking, good cooking. Y'all see what's going on right now. I'm finna go on put the crawfish in there. Ooh, wait, and it smell good. Crush it.
Man, you don't even know what you doing. What are you doing over here, man?
I bet you gonna eat it.
I know I'm gonna eat it. Look at your son. Even MJ saying it's gonna be nasty. Look at him. Look. It's gonna be nasty, MJ.
You gotta pick the whole thing up.
Right. The whole thing at one time.
Hey, look, I told you I don't need no help, you heard? I'm gonna need help if I pick up the whole thing. So you know what I'm doing? I'm scooping it,
All right, babe. All right, we gonna. Hey, look, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know the update right now, cause I think this crawfish
nigga
gonna
still
be good.
gonna be
I already know
scooping.
yet, y'all. But we gonna see.
Hey,
We gonna see. Y'all stay tuned.
That nigga still
Check
scooping.
this out, man. I didn't get to finish the Easter video, man, because there's a lot of stuff going on, you guys. But check this out. It's another day, and I'm thinking about taking the kids to get GRILLZ.
This
Say,
nigga
boy,
got
you want a grill in your
confused.
mouth? Ooh, let me see, boy. Yours already gold. You brush your teeth?
Damn.
Huh? Did you brush your teeth, boy?
No.
One of y'all peed in the bed, too.
Nasty little niggas.
Whoa. Who was it? I'm starting to think it was Casey, because they said you had. Wait, which cover Casey had?
Casey had that unicorn cover.
Whoa! Pee. Who you think it was?
I ain't gonna lie, it looked like he did.
I think you peeing in the bed, brother.
I got a Rolex and money. Somebody with a Rolex and money pee on this show, man.
How you trying to? You seen how you trying to make it make sense? Why was
What they gotta do with pissing in the bed?
It's clear to you. Really? It's clear to you. No. Hey, I know who it is. It's Juke.
Never me.
Who you slept with?
I slept with Tori and Clay.
What Tory? Wait, what Tory again?
He went upstairs with a girl with red hair.
Who?
He went upstairs with a girl with red hair.
Who?
No, I know she ain't up there, bro.
Who? Tory in a room with a girl? What?
I was staying in the car, bro.
Well, I just know now. Hold up.
Here, bro, I swear.
The girl with
That boy thugging.
Whoa! What you doing?
Man, what is y'all doing?
With my best friend, we playing cards.
Y'all playing your best
You
friend.
supposed to be in the
When did Tory became your best friend?
We been my best friend.
What? Wait, Tory?
Yeah.
Tory?
Dude, it's Tori, your friend.
Tory,
This is
what?
my best friend.
It's your best
No.
friend?
Don't be doing all that.
No, I'm just asking.
Don't be doing all
I
that.
never seen him in the room with a girl like
All
this.
that, bro.
I hope you didn't cheat on Casey.
So what's your name?
I'm not cheating. My name is Big Rukunet, you know.
Big Ruku. Man, what you
Look, I ain't gonna lie. You was supposed to be in the car. What you doing,
Okay,
bro?
but my best friend, he asked me to come play movie trivia with you.
Hey, so you playing movie trivia?
Yeah, bro, and we playing See What You See.
See what you see. You see what you see.
See you, boy. Proud of
We
you.
see you.
Very proud of you. Hey, look. So you saying this your best friend, man?
Yeah, my best friend.
All right, man. Take her and go home,
And
bro.
that better be it, bro.
Go home, bro.
This big
Come on,
my
man.
best
So how long y'all been best friends, man?
for like a couple weeks now.
A couple weeks.
Hey, that's too friendly, man. Come on, man.
Man, go ahead. I gotta talk to Tory, man. Boy, I'm so proud of you, boy.
That boy thugging.
I'm proud of you, boy.
Best friend with benefits.
Man, hey, you friends? Man, I know what's up, man. Y'all ain't best friends. Boy, I'm so happy for you, boy. Boy, you make me proud, boy. Man, I know, man. I can see, man. Best friend. She just don't want nobody to know. She like you.
Yeah.
Ooh, boy, I'm proud of you,
I
boy.
got me a redhead.
Talking about movie trivia. What trivia?
Nigga said I got me a redhead.
Boy, I'm so happy, boy. I'm so happy. I thought you was gonna never get a girl, but boy, I'm happy for you, boy.
got me a red.
Talking about best friend. Come on now, that's big Tory, man. Boy, I'm so happy for Tory, man. You ever asked out with like?
No, I ain't tell you.
No, I ain't asked out yet.
You should start like hey, be mine.
Right.
You hear me? Take on a date show with Big Tory Ball.
Right.
Big Tory time. Boy, I'm so proud of Big Tory, man. But anyway, man, forget all that, bro. You ready to get a gold grill in your mouth,
You
man?
ain't gonna forget to talk.
Hey, she gonna really want you then. You start pulling out them racks, man.
Yeah, you know.
You start
Them
pulling out them
rackies.
racks, they gonna want you.
Rackies.
Big tour, big tour, big tour, big tour. Y'all stay tuned, man. I gotta call Johnny Dang and see if he's up there. there at the shop. If he's there, man, I'm gonna go get these kids GRILLZ Grill. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Comment down below. What? Maybe I gotta make another song. Another song? Well, no, you gotta ask out first before you do it. You right. Forget a song. You gotta go straight to it. She talking about, no, it ain't all that. Stop lying. This big tour, man. Tell him, man. Yeah, big Lil. Just like she said, big Lynette, big T. Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, gang. Can you believe that, boy?
Don't believe this, man.
Hey, that boy, hey.
I see what you talking about.
So you gotta, hey, look.
Take it slow.
I'm about to see, like where her head is.
See what emotion at the ocean.
Hello?
Yeah, what's down?
Hey, say, man, word through the wind, you heard me? Say that boy Tory say it's more than just friends type, you know?
What?
Huh?
Find out, man.
You say let you find out?
Yes, man.
Hey, say, man, hey, pulling that on the phone, man.
Hey, she right here.
So,
What's up?
hey, so what's going on, man? I'm hearing different.
Bro, he's lying. He just trying to, no, that's just not that friend. I'm like, hey, I don't want
She
him.
cow.
Man,
Full of that water.
So we gonna lie?
She full of that water.
Lying.
Us, so we gonna lie now? We might as well bring it out.
Nah, are you gonna lie? I'm with Kay.
I'm not lying.
With K.
You're lying just to be lying.
I'm not lying.
Hey, so what you saying? On a scale of 1 through 10, rate my boy, man.
He's not even on the scale.
Damn.
That means she can go above or under 0.
Oh, right. Don't give
Smart
up. She said
little
you not
nigga.
on the scale, so you probably 1,000.
This little nigga knows something.
1,000 pounds. Hey, look. All jokes aside, man, don't give up. Steady applying pressure. Surprise her with stuff. Because guess what? Girls like money. You bring them that
You
money.
hear that, little bros? Apply that pressure. You get that no, apply that pressure. You get that maybe, apply that pressure. Now you get that no, on to the next, and don't apply that pressure. Don't keep pushing your boundaries now. Don't keep going.
Guess what? Whoa. Hey, say, but look. Hey, that's how you gonna win her. Hey, surprise her with money. Say, man, we on the way to go get these kid cribs, but see, man, you heard what happened, huh?
What?
That boy got caught in the room with a girl today.
No, she say we best friends, but you know what I'm trying to
Play it smart.
Yeah, play it smart. Hey, but she said, but you know, we called and she saying it ain't that, but I think it's that, bro.
Hey, be though. They gonna try to say that.
They gonna try to say that because they don't want people to know.
He finna be turned up. You finna get a grill. Your swag gonna
Hey,
be
we
right.
get that boy a makeover. What y'all think? Man, 15,000 like we gonna get Tory to make us
Turn him up.
and turn them off, bro.
Turn you up right.
Man, y'all stay tuned, man. We on our way to Johnny Dang, bro. On gang. All right, y'all, I'm finna FaceTime Johnny because he said he had to leave, but he still gonna make sure we ASAP that business. All right, y'all. I'm calling my boy Johnny right now. Johnny! What it is, man? Say what up to the kids.
Johnny Wayne.
All right, man. I already told the vlog you had to leave, so we gonna go in there and get the mold made, and when you come back, we gonna pick up the grills.
Who is it? You have any design to get it for the kids?
Yeah, man, we getting them for the kids.
I know. You got any design in mind?
Oh, nah, just
Diamond cut bling bling for him, man.
you think that diamond cut?
Yeah, kid, you don't need to be super high, so.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna figure it out when we get in there. Gold and a diamond cut. I'm gonna let you know, all right?
Alright, man, for sure.
All right, we going in now.
Alright, diamond boy.
All right, diamond boy. Woo! Y'all boys wanna be diamond boy.
Yeah.
See what it is. We done made it back here. I got the kids over here. You ready? You like this, huh? Yeah. What up, Victoria? You finna get that grill? My boy Clay. Clay, this gonna be your first grill? You gonna be a Hey, you know you from Florida. You gonna be a Florida chick.
Florida boy.
Let me get a chain like y'all, man.
A chain.
Yeah, I don't like doing this.
Look, when Johnny, all right, look, check this out. When Johnny come back, after we pick up the grills, then I'm
That
gonna tell
nigga
him to make you a
serious.
chain, all right? What up, DD 3 times? I mean, Juju 3 times. You know we call that boy Juju 3 times. But y'all, they're finna get their grills, man. They're so excited because this your first grill, like real grill. Man, who our first grill this is? All right, yeah, they finna get lit, man. Y'all see what time it is, man. We waiting on them to come, and they finna ice these boys out on game. Check this out, my boy Chance is gonna assist us today, man. Hey, all right, kids, this is the difference. This is what this is right here. This y'all can barely see because my camera. This rose gold
with the diamond cuts.
This diamond cut gold. So which one y'all want, solid or which y'all want the diamond cuts?
I want diamond cuts.
Y'all want diamond cuts? So all the kids want diamond cuts. They wanna be diamond boys. So that's what we gonna do, man. We gonna go ahead and get their modes.
Diamond boy swimming in the water.
I
got them diamonds in my mouth like I'm flawed.
4 teeth because he's missing a teeth. Or you want to do the bottom? What you think? The bottom? Let's do the bottom. Let's do the bottom so he can get 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He gonna get 6 at the bottom. Let's see you. He's gonna get. Let's see. We're gonna do a top grill for him. Let me see your teeth. You're gonna get either. Which one you want? Top or bottom? He want top. Let me see. Juju is gonna get bottom. What about you? Let me see.
I do bottom then.
Yeah, I told you he can do bottom. I told him that. Yeah, we're gonna do bottom. How many you want at the bottom?
It don't matter.
Let me see, man. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do from here to there for him, all right? Do that hurt you? See, he got one. So yeah, so you good.
Make it look straight across.
Yeah, that's my boy. That's my papa. We're gonna do the bottom of his mouth. Let's see. And we're gonna do the bottom of his mouth, man. We're gonna get these kids grills made right now, man. He's gonna do the modes. Y'all stay tuned. It's only gonna get lit on game. Right now, we writing everything down, saying who getting what this Aaron. He getting 6 diamond cuts across the bottom. TORY getting 8 diamond cuts across the bottom. Who this is over here? This Clay. He gonna get 6 diamond cuts across the top. Yeah, y'all stay tuned, bro. Tell him what you doing right now.
Right now, it's Diamond Dance Chance. I'm here with my boy, FunnyMike. We out here getting the family right.
Yup. What this is right here?
Oh, we out here whipping the molding powder.
Whipping the molding powder.
Getting that mold right.
Yeah, boy, y'all finna be iced out. Y'all ready to be iced out, man? Yeah. Man, y'all don't sound excited, man. Y'all ready to be iced out? Yeah. They finna get iced out by my boy Chance, man. Y'all already know what it is right here. This finna go in his mouth. That's the molding solution that's finna go in his mouth for how many minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes? Don't move now.
He said, what if he sneezed for 3 minutes?
Hey, man, you better chill. All right, come on, bite down.
Perfect.
Bite down.
Perfect. Lips forward.
Lips
like
forward.
that, 3
Don't move, all right? Yeah, that's my boy right there getting that gold grill, man. I'm gang. My boy over here finna get TORY right. Hey, yeah, TORY, how you gonna feel though? So you already feel lit though, huh? Keep it real.
Jits out, boy.
Yeah.
Gang.
Close your mouth.
Open wide?
Yeah.
No, not yet.
Oh,
Not yet.
ooh,
All right.
pull them lips.
Open your mouth. I'm gonna let you know when you bite down. Hold on.
And don't move.
Hold on.
Don't eat.
Alright, bite down.
It's not a blueberry.
Close your mouth all the way.
Go ahead, yeah. Don't move. Don't pip your head up and don't move, man.
3 minutes.
Yeah, that's my boy TORY. And he on the phone with his mama. Hey, mom. Hey, mom. That boy getting iced out. That boy finna be the sickest. And he already got a girlfriend. Yeah. Ooh, big TORY. Big TORY. Hey, what you say about that boy TORY, man?
He going up.
Hey, look, he going up. I think after he get this grill, old girl gonna want him. Real talk, is it? Hey, and then guess what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut you loose in a Lambo, right? I'm gonna let you take on a date, man.
No, man.
Yeah.
He talking about some.
You too turned up. Hey, over here, man. Let me go ahead and run my bread through this money counter, man. Let's see, is it working, man? Turn that mug on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's see.
Count up the
Run
record.
the blues through that right quick. How you do this? Hey, put it in there, spit it out. Run the blues through that right quick, man. Man, what you doing? Broke the money counter, man. Man, what you?
I told you.
Man, what y'all doing, man? All right, run it through there for me right quick, man. Bird finna run my blues through the money counter right quick.
Gonna jam up right quick.
Go ahead, don't let them jam.
They got a few gonna jam. All right.
Man, hey, look.
Take the mug,
Let me see.
take the mug.
Man, you don't know what you doing.
That must start.
Man, give me my money, man. That boy Bird finna rerun that blues back through the money counter.
Run them blue checks up through them C notes. Run that blues up, baby.
Go ahead, let's get
Hold
it.
up, that sound crazy.
No,
Run them blues up, nigga. Run them blues up, nigga.
Trying to get it right.
Run them blues up, nigga. Run them records up, nigga.
Run them through.
He said.
Do Them blue notes, nigga. Them blue notes, nigga.
Add them up. That's 5900s right there, you hear me? That's 5900s. Run it up, B. Run it up, B.
Yeah, Vino.
Yeah. Oh, hold up, man. You gotta shake it back. Shake it back. 59. Oh, man, you restarted, man. You lost count. Now you gotta start over. You don't post it restart. That's gonna start it over. Now we trying to get
fucking up the rotation.
Man. Come on now, you messing this up, dog. You act like you ain't never used a money counter
You
before.
know I did this, man.
All
No,
right.
I did this, man.
All right, that's 58.
Big D son.
Run a rest, run a rest.
On his way home.
Yeah, KC, that's that money, huh?
On his way home.
All right, we stopped there with that L right there. All right, go. Run a rest. But we don't know how to use this money counter you got.
There we go.
Run that. That's the rest of them right there. Y'all see what it is, man. 15,000, man. On game. That boy Clay finna bite down now. Gold in that mouth. That boy gonna be a Florida jet.
Florida water.
Yeah, little Florida jet. Let's go, son. Yeah. Bite down and don't you move, right? Yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord.
Yeah. Pressure. Oh, it's almost time to pull it out. You say a little bit more?
A little bit more.
All right, a little bit more, and you gotta. It's time to pull it out. Yes, Lord.
Alright, this yours.
Open mouth, boy. Open mouth. Ooh.
Yes,
It's
sir.
good.
Yeah.
You see it from the top? Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Big
boy
grills.
about to get iced
Big
out.
grills. Big grills, Tor. Big grills. Lit juke. I remember when we did DD 3 times in them grills.
Alright, we about to get our grills. He going first.
I got you. Look at Jay, man. Awesome. Bite down.
Bite.
DD 3 times. You ready? Bite down.
Bite down, boy. Don't move. Don't move, right? Let you. Don't move, boy. You good? Yeah. Don't sneak. Juju Grill just came out. I mean, well, the mold just came out. Beautiful. Grill be ready in a few days, man. Y'all already know what time it is. How it tastes? How that pink stuff tastes? Like bubble gum?
Right. No, it tastes like mint.
It tastes like mint?
Well, it don't taste like mint.
Yay! Them boys turn. Hey, you feeling like Johnny Dang back here, boy?
Diamond boy.
If this was your office, how you'll be back here?
Diamond boy. Sitting one in. One leg.
Diamond way.
Yeah. You see, hey, say, act like you caught somebody stealing on the cameras just now. Go ahead.
He's stealing. Get him. He's stealing. Want him dead.
That boy tripping, man. But look, man, this what it is, man. We got a few more molds to do. After we do the molds in a couple days, Johnny gonna have the grills ready, man, and we gonna pick them up, and the kids gonna get the stump with their grills in their mouth, man. Y'all stay tuned. We got KC and Caden gotta get theirs. So that's it. Holy Caden. Lil' Caden. Ooh. By that time. Yeah.
Put your head up a little bit.
Omar.
Perfect. Bite until I tell you to bite. All right?
Bite. Don't move.
Forward. Push him forward. Yeah.
All right, don't move. All right, stay still. That boy let Caden get that grill with that girl with that
That
grill.
boy thugging.
See, after this, you gotta make a song now to stamp your grill. All right, yeah. Tell him he gotta jump in that studio, man. Yeah. Look at that Aaron. We already know you gonna be smiling all day at school. He gonna take the grill to school. Yeah, all the girls gonna be in your mouth. Look at him. Pressure. What it is, man. This Tory mold, Aaron mold, Juju mold. What you say?
Those are the copies and receipts.
All right. Oh, these right here. These the copies of the receipt. Yeah, I'm just waiting because I gotta come back in.
Yeah, that works.
All right. But seeing Cam, them finna go ahead and grill the grill too, saying everybody get
Ice the whole crew out, man. Everybody
get iced out today. Cam finna get iced out. That boy gonna be directing with a grill in his mouth. Y'all know what it is, man. It's pressure. We finna get ready to get out of here, man. Y'all stay tuned because we on our way home on game. So guys, man, we just left Johnny Dang, man. The kids finna get some tacos right now. Everybody hungry. Y'all hungry? Yeah. Y'all don't even sound hungry, man. Oh man, you can buy the whole truck and eat the whole truck, man. Yeah, man. I like the hot tacos, man. This was the man that was in our videos.
Excuse me, what y'all all selling, man? What you got back here? We got good food over here. Good food, man. Let me get a burrito. Got you.
Hey, what about cash out, man?
Man, but if y'all ever see this truck, man, y'all come over here and show some love, man, and buy some stuff, man. Y'all see what's going on. Tell him he got the best tacos, bro.
Best tacos in the
Best
city.
tacos in the city, man. You see what it is, man. This that real taco. See them tacos y'all eat from Taco Bell? That's the
That
fake
ain't that
tacos.
real
These are
deal.
man. Kids love these. You eat tacos, Clay? Woo! My boy Clay finna get those tacos, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. We finna go ahead and get these tacos, and we finna be headed to the crib. Y'all stay tuned on game. Guys, man, we just made it back to the crib, man. Casey is eating this. What is this? Tacos?
Nachos and some jalapenos.
I ain't know he sell nachos on that thing, but he sell nachos too. Is the nachos good? Woo! Them boys eat nachos. My boy Clay got jalapeno. Them not the real jalapenos, man. Them are fake jalapenos in there,
They don't
nasty.
even taste. They're not even spicy.
And y'all was just finna argue over some jalapeno. Oh man, I had jalapenos, man. I had jalapenos. So they wasn't finna argue over jalapenos. They was finna argue over some jalapenos, and they ain't even tasting good. What up, Aaron? You ready to go get in the pool?
Oh,
Man, we finna go get in the pool, man.
what's that from the thumbs right there, man?
Man, where your...
I'm gonna do my...
Hey, man, set your tail down and finish eating this food. Yeah, I'll jump in, man. You know how I'm thinking. No, I ain't getting in, bro. Real talk, you know I ain't getting in. Say, Victoria, we gonna teach you how to drive a car. We gonna get you dripped up, and we gonna make sure she wants you, because we gonna put a pocket full of money in your pocket while you dripped up, driving the best car. Oh, she gonna want you. Whoa, hold up.
What?
Your ears pierced? Oh yeah, we gotta get you. We gotta get you some diamond earrings.
Big stepper.
So, hey, if the camera was her, what you would tell her right now?
Say, baby, I want you. And you for
Oh!
Well, that's cringe.
Hey, that was crazy. I ain't gonna lie. But
That
y'all stay tuned, man. We finna go
hella
to the pool, man.
cringy.
Everybody finna turn up. Oh, yeah. Hey, find your swim trunks, man. Look, you done lost them.
He never got no swim trunks.
Yeah, you did. I bought you swim trunks.
I already got my swim trunks on.
Come on, man. Go on, get your swim trunks. Let's go.
Look.
Yeah, that boy say he ready. Yeah, where yours at?
Ready, boy.
All right, Casey already ready. Where your swim trunks at, Doodle?
You didn't give me
I
no.
did buy you some goddamn swim trunks, man.
I know for a fact, so look over there.
I blame you. Yeah, talking about some good old production.
man.
You had some on when I seen them.
Huh?
Now where they at? Look through the pile.
Hiking shorts. You don't like what a hiking shorts?
Yeah, come on.
See?
He say he don't like them.
Yeah, he said he don't like it.
I'm gonna go find some because I'm his big brother.
Yeah, go find him, man, and stop treating your brother like that. You ready to swim, huh? You know how to you know how to swim, boy?
I do.
You don't know how to swim, man.
I know swimming 3 feet.
Man, y'all got this house looking a mess, man. All these brand new clothes I bought just all over the place, huh?
Can't go. See that? Put my stuff in this closet. I have my stuff.
These brand new clothes, man. Still got tags on them. What's going on?
Can't put all my stuff here.
Man, don't blame it on Casey.
No,
Kate.
he put all.
Man, how old you is? Stop blaming your little brother for stuff, man.
No, he's not.
Tell him he always blaming you for stuff, man. Stop blaming him, man. Where your wallet at? Where your wallet at, man? Let me see what's in it. Yeah, my youngest, keep
Let me
that
see
wallet.
what's in
What's
it.
in that mug? Whoa, come on, open that wallet, man. Let me see what's in it. Woo! That boy got a blue
That boy
face,
got the
man. You
rack
already know
eight.
what type it is, man. We finna go and get them ready, man, because we finna head to the pool. It's only gonna get lit on game. And before we go to the pool, don't forget, man, make sure you turn on post notifications for the chance to win this, man. We're giving it away this week. All you gotta do is be liking, subscribing, and comment down below, man, to enter. Y'all ready? Yeah! Let's go! Who gonna jump in the pool, man? Uh-oh. Then Casey went dumb. Clay went dumb. Yeah, now what about you, man?
Nope.
You scared? What is you scared of? It's cold, man. Why is he always saying it's cold, Tori? Man, jump in there, Tori.
I'm good.
Man, come on, bro. All
Jump in there.
right, look, I'll let you drive my Lamborghini tomorrow. You jump in right now.
Swear to God.
I swear to God.
Shake
Shake on it. Ah.
Full of that cap. Damn. Yo.
That boy did that. You turned up. I got you, bro. I'm gonna teach you how to drive, bro. First, I'm gonna start you off in the booger, man, so I make sure you don't break my Lamborghini. You get what I'm saying?
Why we gonna start with this?
Man, who wanna do the front flip from right here? Come on, Casey. I know you can do it. Go ahead, Clay. Show him that front flip. Oh, go ahead, Casey. I mean, Jew. Go ahead, Jew. Go ahead, show him how you coming. Man, he did a cartwheel. Don't know what he doing. Go ahead, Casey.
Watch out.
Oh, them boys going crazy, man. Y'all ready to go to that water park tomorrow?
Yeah!
All right, man. I'm taking these kids to a water park tomorrow, man. These boys go. What you say?
I'm going to that water park, but I ain't going to that.
Man, y'all let scare yourself, man.
Said tomorrow.
I say tomorrow we're going to the water park tomorrow.
I know, but you said you gonna teach me how to drive a Lamborghini.
Well, when we get back.
Okay.
You know, you can't drive a Lamborghini at the water park because we're not taking a Lamborghini.
Right,
you get what I'm saying?
Right.
So y'all already know what time it is, man. Tory got this thing coming with this girl. I don't know if he gonna be able to pull her or not, but y'all just pray for him. But that's it for today's video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe because we're gonna be dropping banger after banger after banger, man. Stay tuned on Gang.
FunnyMike family, there go baby.
Hey, man.
You see Lil MJ, watch him turn up for his mama.
Say, man. If you enjoyed that video, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I am out.